Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you easy way to make also a high waist palazzo pant. Okay, now I am using 2 yards of white fabric I got from a local store. Now I start by folding the fabric into 2, as you can see from the video. I lay the fabric flat on the floor, all smooth and straight. Now I get a jeans pant. I placed it on top of the fabric, making sure it is lined up straight with the fabric. Now start by cutting the fabric, making sure I am following the pattern on which the jean is lined up on. Make sure you leave 2 inches to create a white leg. You do the same while cutting the other side. I am still following the pattern. Now this is how it's all cut to. I will go on to sew it from the other top to the bottom, and to the other side I sewed it from the cuff part to the bottom. Now I've sewn the pants. It is into 2 pairs, which is the other leg and the left leg and the right leg. Now I place the right leg inside out, and then I put the one I put out inside out, I place it to the inner part of the right leg. I am so sorry guys, my camera cut off while showing you guys this video. I am so sorry about this. But moving on, now the pant is forming the look that I want. But it's way too big. Don't worry, we're gonna use the elastic band to tighten it up. Now place the band on the waist part of the pant and fold it in the same size of the band. Remove the band now and then sew the pant waistline. As you're sewing it, make sure you leave about 1 inch to put the waistband in. I use a pin to hook it through the band, and I pass it through the open part of the pant I initially left open. It's a tricky part, but don't worry, we'll pass through it. Now the band is actually out of the hole. I will join them together and sew it. And also, don't forget to sew the down part of the pant. Now it's all done. Beautiful. This is the easy way I sew my palazzo high waist pant. Hope you guys enjoy my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you for now. Bye.